Hi, this is Catherine Ambrose. I'm with Piper Ayala.
Yes.
And learning about the toy run. So Christmas has already started here in Wichita, Kansas. So Piper, can you tell us a little bit about what you guys did today?
Yes. Today we were on our motorcycles riding from Wichita to Park City to the Kansas Coliseum. We all had toys on the back of our bikes, and it was all for Toys for Tots for the Salvation Army, all for the children who need toys at Christmas time that maybe will not get them normally. So it's just, the biker community is so giving, and it's just a heartfelt thing to the Wichita community to make sure the kids have Christmas toys.
Well, very good. How many bikers were involved today?
You know what? There were thousands. I'm guessing at least 5,000 probably. Lawrence Dumont Stadium parking lot was packed. And at 1 o'clock, when everybody revved their engines, it was just like chills went down your spine.
Awesome.
How many people on every bike had a toy on the back? So it was the best, you know. And it's been 2 years since we've had the toy run. So first year back, and it was very successful.
Do you know how many toys were collected today?
Oh my gosh, there was mounds. The Marines were out there collecting them.
Oh, that is amazing.
And it was fun. How many people were out there today? How many bikers? You guys, thousands?
82,451.
There you go. That was it.
Seriously?
69.
And they all had toys. At least 1 or 2 or 3. There was one car that had 50 bicycles.
Oh my gosh,
back.
that is really awesome.
Yes.
And so now you're doing a birthday celebration for you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
And an
Yes.
after party here at Snag Harbor.
Exactly. Just
And you have
having my birthday. So
awesome
yes, I have my
band.
toy run button right here.
All right.
So, yeah.
Well, thank
Exactly.
you. You inspire Wichita.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, happy to meet it.
Thanks
Thank
a lot.
you.
Bye.